Alright guys, in the last video we spoke about the exercise aspect of your fitness journey, and in this video I'm gonna explain you how to structure your diet and what sort of foods you should eat to see consistent progress in your gains. Because believe me, if your diet isn't on point, you're not gonna progress very far. So let's get started. Now, I want to talk to you about the most important point of your diet, and that is gonna be tracking your calories. Guys, trust me, this machine is a game changer. This is a very cheap kitchen weighing scale that I use to track all of my food accurately before eating. This has to be one of the best investments in my fitness journey I have made so far, because this machine helps you know exactly what you're putting in your mouth. I would say that I would not be able to have the physique I have without this machine. I don't care what others say about tracking calories. Maybe it's cringe or maybe it's tedious, but that does not change the fact that it has helped me immensely over the years to track my calories and hit my macros, which has made my progress so much more easier. This is why I will definitely insist you all to buy one too. I will share the link to my kitchen weighing scale in the description box below. Okay, now moving on, find your maintenance calories. I will link the maintenance calorie level calculator in the description box below. Fill all the details and calculate your maintenance calories. For those of you who don't know what maintenance calories are, in short, it is the number of calories your body needs to maintain its weight. If you want to gain weight, you will have to eat about 200 to 300 calories more than this level. And similarly, if you want to lose weight, you will have to eat 200 to 300 calories lesser than this level. So basically, when you eat more than your maintenance calories level, you are said to be in a caloric surplus. And when you eat lesser than your maintenance calorie level, you are said to be in a caloric deficit. Another important thing about being in a caloric surplus or a caloric deficit is that never ever be in a deficit or a surplus more than 500 or 600 calories. For example, if you want to gain weight, don't think that eating 500 to 600 calories more than your maintenance level will help you build muscle faster. It won't. It will only increase your fat percentage faster. Your muscular development will largely be based on the amount of intensity you train them with. Yes, eating in a surplus will definitely help you build muscle, but eating in a large surplus will not necessarily help you build muscle faster. It will only increase your fat percentage. Similarly, don't eat in a large deficit as well, because even though in the beginning you will lose a lot of fat, in the long run you will end up losing a lot of muscle mass as well. Let alone the risk of hitting a weight loss plateau, which will make it much harder for you to lose weight any further. I've talked about this topic in detail right here in this video. You can check it out later if you like. Now let's talk about what exactly do we need to track. Since the beginning of my fitness journey, I feel that tracking your protein and calories is enough. I don't track my fats, carbohydrates and fibers because I want to keep things as simple as possible for me as well as for you. All you need to do is weigh your food before eating and use any calorie tracking app, for example HealthifyMe or MyFitnessPal, to track your protein and calories. Now, how much protein do we exactly need to consume? The simple answer to this question is 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight or 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So if you are someone who's 60 kgs or 132 pounds, you will have to consume 132 grams of protein every single day for effective muscle growth. Now let's talk about what you should eat and what you shouldn't eat. Alright guys, now what I'm gonna say will probably shock you, but believe me, it is true, and I have been doing it ever since I started my fitness journey. Not many people talk about this, but just eat whatever the hell you want. This is the best way you can stay consistent with your diet and follow it religiously on a day-to-day basis for a long term. But all you have to do is make sure that each and every day you are hitting your daily protein goal as well as your calorie limit. I don't believe in the concept that junk food makes you fat and healthy food makes you fit. If you want to eat pizzas or burgers every single day, just eat it. But make sure you stay within your calorie limit and hit your daily protein goal. If you track your calories and protein every single time before you eat anything, it doesn't really matter what you eat throughout the day unless and until you hit your daily protein goal and stay within your calorie limit. Seriously guys, all these diets which you see online like keto, paleo and low carb diets, they don't work because the people who follow them tend to give up easily on them because of the lack of flexibility and the strictness which they have to go through to follow these diets. In my experience, a diet should be something which you should enjoy so that you can stick to it for a long term and see consistent gains. This is exactly why I eat whatever I want whenever I want, so that I never get bored of my diet. But at the same time, I always take into consideration that I'm hitting my daily protein goal and I'm within my calorie limit by tracking my food every single time I eat. This is the real hack to fitness, and this is exactly why I think a kitchen weighing scale is such a useful device for my fitness journey, because it allows me to know exactly what I'm consuming throughout the day. So to sum it up for you, you just have to hit your daily protein goal and be within your calorie limit, and it doesn't matter what you eat throughout the day. So yes guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you found this video valuable, and if you enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like and and share this video with at least one of your gym bros, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative gym, fitness, diet and nutrition related content, and I'll see you in the next one.